ways lead to Rome quote. So, you are looking for the best video how to fix a broken Barbie doll leg. Let me give you an instruction of how to repair the Barbie doll sticky leg syndrome now. You know, I have done another video where I have shown you how to fix a fallen off talking Barbie leg. So let me give you a link to my other video if you are interested. And now let's start to fix the broken Barbie leg. Welcome to Busybee from Germany, my dear viewers. I'm Busybee from Germany and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you a video how the Emperor Augustus inspired me to show you how to fix a broken Barbie doll leg. You know, the Emperor Augustus set in Rome the golden milestone. It's a point in the central forum of the ancient Rome, a central point from which all streets and ways started. Many ways lead to Rome. What we need for our recipe is a measuring cup, which we will fill with hot water in a minute. I have here some baby powder for the last step. I have here some rubbing alk, some Q-tips and a little towel for when she comes out of the measuring cup. So now let's start. I'm going to undress her now, so let's take the dress off. So if you are interested which doll this is the tropical Barbie from Peru. And maybe you can see it, it's not so easy to film it, but she has gotten sticky legs in the last month. Sometimes this happens. I'm not sure why this happens, but it can happen to doll being produced after 1966. You know, the one got the knee joints, and they tend to have this problem sometimes. Now let us wait 1 or 2 minutes until she got some time in the water, and I hope a part of the stickiness, the softener which came out of her legs, can be removed. Now let's remove her from the measuring cup. I put in hair elastic around her hair because I don't want the hair to be in my way in a sec. So she was in there for about 5 minutes, and now let's start. So I'm taking my jar with rubbing alk. Put a little bit on my Q-tip, and then that's why we need the towel, so then the water can come off the doll. And now we can start to rub over her legs. And you see the Q-tip changes a little bit. It's not as extreme as I had it on other dolls, but I don't want her to have sticky legs. So you see our Q-tip became somehow a little bit dirty. That was just one leg, and let's do the other one too. You see it now? It's really dirty. And now let's use another Q-tip. You have to do it several times, not just one. Often the Q-tips will do the trick. You need several of them. And then you try to get off as much as possible from the softener. It's the softener that you can feel here that comes out of the legs. It does not happen to every doll, but it happens now and then. Depends on how she was stored, in the condition she's in, probably. But I have no evidence, no proof. It's just a theory of mine. And now let's continue how to fix a broken Barbie doll leg. So don't just throw them away when they have sticky legs. You can always send them to me. This little Barbie hack. This little tutorial to show you how to get rid of the softener from her legs. Now it's looking much better. I have only needed one of the Q-tips. Normally I need more, but this was not as much as I thought it was. It felt much stickier than what I got off from the legs. And now let's use the powder. It's just normal baby powder that I have. And then you just put the powder on her legs. Just like this. I know we create a mess now, but I often do it when I repair Barbies. At first you have the mess, and then you have to repair the Barbie, and then you have to clean up, and then it's all fine again. It's the easiest way to describe it, as a kind of massage that she gets here. So, and I have had several dolls with this problem, and after the treatment they never had problems again. It's only important that you put it in every part of the leg, not just her forelegs, but also on her knee and the rest of her leg, so that you won't get any problems anymore with sticky legs. So, I think I have covered the whole leg now. Let's wait 5 minutes and then have a look at her again. So that's how I was inspired to do this video, by the quote, "Many ways lead to Rome" and Emperor Augustus. You see, the stickiness is now gone. I have to clean up a little bit. My dear viewers, that's the result for our tropical Peru Barbie. How to fix a broken Barbie leg. I hope you liked my little video, to which the Emperor Augustus inspired me. You can like my video, share and subscribe. Question of the day is, have you any Barbies from Peru? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in